Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to use Pro Mode on a camera of your Xiaomi 13T. So open up your camera application, scroll to the very left side to enter your Pro Mode. Now at the top left corner, let's tap this information icon. So here you can read what each parameter means, alright? But focus, shutter speed, basically everything. So let's set up our camera. We have three lenses in our disposal: ultra wide, wide and telelens. You can switch between them using these three buttons right here. Choose the lens based on the scene you want to capture. The next thing I want to talk about is white balance right here. So tap, and here you can adjust your color temperature to make the photo look natural depending on the lighting condition. The next thing is autofocus. So tap here and you can switch from the autofocus to manual focus by dragging on this switch. All right, next one is shutter speed. So tap here, and now this controls how long the shutter remains open. You can take bright and clear photos even in low light with it. Next one is ISO. Let's tap here, so we can adjust the sensor sensitivity to light, use low values for bright conditions and height levels for dark ones, and also you can leave it on auto, of course. And last but not least is exposure compensator right here. So adjust this to make the shot lighter or darker as needed. Also, some additional features: you can turn on the flash right here at the top left corner, so simply tap on it and it's always on, automatic or off. All right, you can use shutter delay here in your settings, aspect ratio, Leica style, brightness. You can change the image format, auto exposure, and so on. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.